Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It is about 6:45 in the morning and I am heading out to check on my garden before I go to work. I want to see if anything needs watering because it has gotten so hot over here in Florida. Oh my goodness. I watered these yesterday. The soil is very dry right now. I might have to water these before going to work. Oh yes. Ooh. I think my ginger is ready to be harvested as well. Look at this. Surprise, surprise, surprise. I was not expecting this at all. This is not what I came out for, but look at ginger all ready to be harvested. All right, let me move along because I do not have a lot of time this morning. I'm just checking the soil. All right, so that's damp enough. Yeah, I think I might have to come out and water, guys. And look what we got here. We have a lovely bell pepper all ready to be harvested. My apples need to be watered. And we have some more peppers getting ready to be harvested, but I'm actually checking on the soil. Guys, yeah, I think I need to water it before leaving this morning. Ooh, is this another volunteer apple plant? I don't know, looks like it. And what do we have over there? It's another pepper all ready to be harvested. We have these coming along nicely, but again I say, checking on the soil. All right, so I guess I have to come out and water this morning, guys. I definitely need to come out and water because look at this soil. It's drying up. Red Russian kale, they're not looking bad after the transplant. So I need to go and get my water hose now. And I need to start watering. Yeah. This one definitely needs some water. Oh my goodness, look. Soil is very, very dry. And I did water yesterday. And these, oh, wow. Let me go and get the hose, guys. I need to go and get that water hose right now. So I will be right back. Okay, people. So it took me 17 minutes to water my garden. Heading back outside now to share something that I have observed while watering, but let me just show you my banana that is shooting. Yes, so I want to share something that I observed with these peppers. Beautiful plant. Peppers are looking healthy and okay. Here is another plant with a lot of peppers on it as well. This is another one. So observe clearly, guys. Look at the leaves of these peppers. Let me go back and let you look at these a little bit. So these are very green, lush leaves, even though some of them are being eaten by some critters. Don't know what it is. I will check on that later today. Look on these pepper plants, guys. These were transplanted from over here that I will be sharing the observation with. So now if you can look at these leaves are actually looking a little bit different from the ones you just saw. These leaves, they are looking more yellow than the other ones. The reason for that is because these leaves, they're actually short of calcium. Yes, before I actually started planting in this area, I was composting here, but it was like a long time ago, quite a few months before I planted anything in this area. And this area is a very sunny area, and as you all know, if you know, that peppers do love a lot of sunlight. However, we have to check our plants on a daily basis to know if they are lacking in any nutrients or anything. And what I observed this morning are the leaves. So these are more yellow, as I stated, than the ones I have up here. Now I believed the reason for this is because these were planted directly on some compost. I was composting in these barrels. So I threw some native soil in there, and then I transplanted a few of my peppers in there. And these peppers, they're actually growing faster than the other ones I just showed you, and they're even producing more peppers. The plants, they are bigger, very strong plants, I should say. So my observation this morning, guys, is to tell you that normally a lot of people would have compost in a separate area, like for a few months, maybe 3 months, 6 months, up to a year, and then after all the soil is broken down, then they will add that soil back to their garden. But I have a different strategy that I am using. I'm actually composting in these barrels and some 5-gallon buckets that I have, and as soon as they are halfway filled, or maybe 3/4 ways filled, I could just add some native soil, or whatever soil you want to add of your preference. Go ahead, add your soil and just plant directly on top of that compost, because I can guarantee you, you are going to get like better results for your plants rather than waiting 6 months. Because while this plant is growing down in the container, everything in the bottom is breaking down and it's absorbing all of the nutrients that is down there with it. So we don't have to wait 3, 6 months, I should say, for our kitchen scraps to break down before we can add it to our soil. We can go right ahead and plant on top of it, and we will get the same or better results in our garden. Now the reason why my ginger leaves are looking brownish or yellowish is because they're actually ready to be harvested, because while I was watering, I realized that ginger is shooting out. That means it's ready to be harvested. Okay guys, that will be it for this video. Just wanted to share that observation with you. I will save the rest for when I am doing my garden update, hopefully, and I will see you soon. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell, that whenever a video is uploaded, you're going to be one of the privileged ones to share with me.